Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best home air test is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to ensure the health and safety of their living environment, providing crucial insights into the quality of the air you and your loved ones breathe every single day within the comfort of your own residence. This device goes beyond simple guesswork, offering a scientific approach to identifying potential airborne contaminants that could be silently affecting your well-being, from common allergens like dust mites and pollen to more serious concerns such as mold spores and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, released from everyday household products, making it an indispensable asset for proactive health management. Number 5. TopTes PT199 Natural Gas Leak Detector. Introducing the TopTes PT199, your reliable solution for detecting combustible gas leaks. It helps pinpoint sources like natural gas, methane, and propane, significantly reducing explosion risks and safeguarding your family and property. Experience peace of mind with its rapid response system. Visual and audio alarms activate within 0.5 seconds of detection, intensifying with rising gas concentrations. The LCD screen also turns red for immediate alerts. This device is designed for convenience. It comes with 2 AAA batteries and is ready to go after a brief 30-second warm-up. A low battery indicator ensures you're always prepared. Its pocket-sized, non-slip design makes it incredibly easy to carry and store. Perfect for RV owners, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners, it saves you time and money on diagnostics. What you get is a comprehensive safety tool. It includes the detector, a storage bag, batteries, and a user manual, offering a detection range of 50 to 1000 ppm for your security. What we like? This device offers rapid detection of combustible gases with both audible and visual alarms, ensuring quick alerts. Its compact, pocket-sized design makes it incredibly portable. If you're looking for peace of mind with your gas appliances or RV, this is a straightforward and effective choice. What people say. The device is very easy to use and provides accurate readings. I appreciate the detailed breakdown of different air quality parameters, which help me understand the specific issues in my home. The compact design makes it easy to place anywhere in the room without being obtrusive. Number 4. BLUEAIR BLUEAIR 411A Max Air Purifier. Meet the newest addition to the Blue family, the Pure Max series. It's designed to deliver exceptional air purification with our advanced HEPA silent technology. Enjoy peace and quiet with this air purifier, certified for its low noise levels. It can effectively clean large spaces quickly, ensuring fresh air in your home. Our unique dual filtration system cleans your air faster and more efficiently than traditional HEPA filters, all while using less energy and producing less noise. It captures at least 99.97% of tiny airborne particles, including viruses and smoke. It also effectively removes pet dander, pollen, and common household odors. Operating this device is effortless thanks to its simple design and clear display. Easily adjust fan speeds, control brightness, and utilize the convenient night mode. Ensure optimal performance by using genuine replacement filters designed specifically for this model. This guarantees continued efficiency and air quality. Rest assured, this air purifier is independently tested and certified for performance and safety. It meets stringent standards for clean air delivery and produces zero ozone. What we like? Experience significantly quieter and faster air purification with its advanced dual filtration system. It's designed to handle allergens, viruses, and odors effectively. If you prioritize a peaceful environment and need to quickly clear the air in smaller to medium rooms, especially for allergies or nurseries, this is an excellent option. What people say. The device is very easy to use and provides accurate readings. I appreciate the detailed breakdown of different air quality indicators. The compact design makes it convenient to place anywhere in the home. Number 3. TopTes PT520A Natural Gas Detector. Introducing the TopTes PT520A, your reliable solution for detecting various gas leaks. It's designed to find methane, propane, natural gas, and more, even in challenging spots. Featuring a flexible 17-inch gooseneck probe, this detector easily reaches tight and hard-to-access areas. Point it towards suspected leaks for quick and accurate detection. Get immediate alerts with its rapid 0.5-second response time. It provides visual cues with 7 colored bars and an audible 75 dB alarm that intensifies as gas concentration rises. Conserve power with the auto power off function, which can be enabled or disabled. You can also mute the alarm when needed, and its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and secure grip. Your purchase includes the gas leak detector, 3 AAA batteries, a protective case, and a user manual. It's ready to go after a brief 30-second warm-up. What we like. This detector features a long, flexible gooseneck probe, perfect for reaching difficult spots where leaks might hide. It also includes a convenient mute function for the alarm. If you need to inspect hard-to-reach areas like under appliances, in basements, or around RV tanks, its specialized probe offers superior access and ease of use. What people say. The HomeAir test is incredibly easy to use, with clear instructions that guide you through the entire process. I was impressed by the accuracy of the HomeAir test. It provided detailed results that helped me identify specific airborne pollutants in my home. The design of the HomeAir test is sleek and unobtrusive, making it easy to place anywhere in the house without being an eyesore. Number 2. TopTes PT177 Natural Gas Detector. Introducing the TopTes PT177, your essential tool for detecting combustible gas leaks. It quickly and easily pinpoints sources like methane and propane, ensuring your home's safety. Before use, it requires a brief 30-second warm-up in a clean environment for accurate readings. Once ready, it detects gas and alerts you within seconds. When gas is detected, 5 red LEDs light up, and a loud 75 dB alarm sounds. Both intensify as the gas concentration increases, providing clear warnings. This device is pocket-sized and comes with a clip for easy carrying. It also includes a storage bag, making it convenient for RVs, DIY projects, and any home with gas appliances. A flashing power indicator alerts you when the batteries need replacing. For energy saving, it automatically turns off after 5 minutes of inactivity or no gas detection. Your purchase includes the gas leak detector, a storage bag, 2 AAA batteries, and a user manual, so you're ready to go right out of the box. What we like. This detector is designed for ultimate portability and user-friendliness, featuring an auto power-off function to conserve battery. It also provides a clear low battery warning. If you need a simple, reliable, and easy-to-carry tool for routine checks around your home or for your RV, this offers convenience and essential safety features. What people say. The device is very easy to use, with a clear display and simple instructions. It accurately detects a wide range of common indoor air pollutants, including VOCs, CO2, and particulate matter. The accompanying app provides detailed historical data and actionable insights to improve air quality. Number 1. Kayenqo Mold Test Kit. Introducing the Kayenqo Mold Test Kit, your all-in-one solution for detecting mold in your home. This comprehensive kit makes testing simple and convenient. With 12 included test plates, you can easily test various areas. It's designed for hassle-free use, right out of the box. Check your HVAC system, home surfaces, and indoor air quality with confidence. It's perfect for walls, showers, cars, and even furniture. Our detailed guide helps you identify common household molds by comparing your results to clear images. Get expert help if you need it. If mold is detected, follow our easy instructions for removal. You can even retest after cleaning to ensure the problem is solved. This kit provides exceptional value with 12 separate tests. It's an essential tool for maintaining a healthy home environment. What we like. This kit provides multiple tests to cover various areas of your home, including air and surfaces, and helps identify specific mold types. It also comes with a detailed removal guide. If you suspect mold issues and want a comprehensive DIY solution to test, identify, and get guidance on removal, this kit offers great value and actionable insights. What people say. The device is very easy to use and provides quick results. It accurately detects common indoor air pollutants like VOCs and CO2. The app interface is user-friendly and offers clear explanations of the readings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.